Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make a little holder for a little certificate, and mine just holds a certificate for a free Slurpee, and these are for trick-or-treating, of course, because they got the googly hands on there. But this is a little holder, and I cased this idea for my cover from my glitter queen Roberta. She had sent me this card, and I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to be tweaking it, because believe it or not, I do not have these delicate lace dies, which is what she used for her shelf. So, but I improvised, and let me show you here what I used. I used the Arts and Craft dies, and I used this one right here. So that's my little shelf on my designer paper that looks like a bookshelf. Isn't that cute? I love your idea, Roberta. I love it. So, of course, the little jars of the little specimens, I guess, are from the designer paper called the Monster Bash, and there's all different kinds: the octopus, the crab, the spider, the eyeballs, the centipede. Oh my gosh, there's so many. So I've cut out a few already. That will save us some time. And then I'm also keeping this layer off of here from the Ordinate dies, and because my section was a little bit smaller. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's start with the base. I'm using the pumpkin pie, and this piece is cut at 5.5 by 7. We're going to score this together. And then, of course, I need my little free Slurpee. Okay, so let's start with the front and the inside. These two pieces are cut the exact same size. So you're going to need 2 pieces of basic black, and these are both cut at 2.5 by 5.25. And then a piece of the Monster Bash designer paper and the Whisper White, and these are both cut at 2.25 by 5. And then for the inside bottom section, the basic black is cut at 1.25 by 5.25. And then another piece of the Monster Bash, which is cut at 1 by 5. Okay, all right, so let's grab our trimmer. All right, so let me grab my bone folder here. All right, so we're going to score this at 1.5, and this is the 7-inch side across the top. Let me make sure this is 7 before I start. I always like to double check everything. So 5.5 by 7. Yep, so 7 inches across the top. We're going to score this at 1.5 and 4.25. Okay, so let's go ahead and fold our score lines. So now that's your little holder. That was easy. Now it's just the fun part of decorating it. All right, so let's go ahead and add some glue dots to shut up our little pocket inside. So let me grab my take your pick tool. You could add a little touch of fast fuse. I find that the tear and tape is a little too wide, because you want, and if you want to use this for a money holder, for like a Christmas holder, you can of course make it longer. So instead of the 5.5, you might want to go to 7. So my little gift certificates are a little bit smaller than a dollar bill. Let me tell you exactly what they measure. Okay, so these measure 5 inches long. So that's definitely smaller than a dollar bill. So if you want to make these for another special occasion, you're just going to make it a little bit longer. So then fold that up, and then your certificate should fit right inside there, just like that. All right, now let's go ahead and decorate it. So let's take our pieces of our designer paper and our basic black and Whisper White. We're going to use some snail. All right, so before we attach this to the card, we're going to grab our little pieces here. So this is my shelf. Remember, this is from the Arts and Craft dies. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some snail on the back side of the shelf, making sure my books are going the right way. I'm going to go ahead and just set this right about there. Okay, and then I'm going to take a piece of basic black stock and my cat punch, and we're going to use my black dimensionals. These are the package of black dimensionals. You get 2 packs of the full size and then 2 packs of the mini dimensionals, and these black dimensionals are perfect for this project. Okay, and then for my greeting here, let me show you the stamp set. This is the Spooktacular Bash, and I stamped the Open If You Dare. And then also for the inside, we're going to stamp the Have a Spooktacular Halloween. But of course, there's a lot of other fun greetings in there. And then also, hey, this is also available in a bundle with the Ordinate Frame dies. You can purchase this in a bundle and save 10% right now. So then, of course, the designer paper, I added the little black dimensionals to the back sides of those as well. So we're going to go ahead and take the Open If You Dare. And I'm going to put this right up here in the corner. Just like that. And we're going to take our cat. Put him up on the shelf. Right about there. And then you're just going to pick what of the jars of the eyeballs are cute. I picked 3, just like Roberta did on her card. But you could add more if you want. So we're just going to set these along the shelf. Of course, the spider. And then I think I'm going to do the crab. So we're working from small, medium to the large jar. I think I'm going to have to move this over a little bit more. So let me pick that up. Okay, so we're going to put this right about there. My spider got stuck to my hand here. Put that right about there. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And then for my eyes on my cat, I took the Monster Bash enamel shapes and I took the smaller of the black dots and just took 2 for the eyes. You could also use the red rhinestones, which would be really spooky. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and put this onto the front. Okay, and then for the inside, so making sure your books are going the right way. Layer that over top of the basic black. And then this is going to go here at the bottom, just to decorate it a little bit more. And then for the inside top part, we're going to go ahead and stamp. So let me grab my Memento ink. And we're going to stamp the Have a Spooktacular Halloween. Stamp that right in the center. Then I'm going to take some more enamel shapes. Close up my ink pad. And this time I'm going to use the gray, I think. So I'm just going to put 2 of the larger ones and then 1 of the smaller in the middle, right underneath the word Halloween, just like that. Then we're going to put this right here. So cute. Isn't that adorable? All right, so then one more thing that I did do to my other sample is I took the Wink of Stella and I just took the Wink of Stella and colored in the little specimens in the little jars. So I'm coloring in the eyeballs and the crab and then of course the spider. So spooky. And then I'm gonna color the whole sign Open If You Dare. So cute. Then you open it and then you have your little gift certificate right here. So cute. All right, so let me show you the other one. So here's the other one. Adorable. And then here's Roberta's card that inspired it all. Thank you, Roberta. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.